Okay, in this video, we're going to install the virtual VMX on the VMworkstation. We're going to use the 12.5 and vMix version is 17.1, where you can download the image from the Juniper website. So we're going to download that, uncompress, install using the OVA images, and then log into the console from terminal. Okay, so if you go to the Juniper website, you go to support, download, and you go to download Junos. You should be able to find the virtual MX series. Yeah, it's not here. Okay. So, and the software version you're going to do is 17.1, right? Okay. So this is the EXSI version we're going to use. It's about 3 gig, and you can see also the documentation is here, right? So it has the installation notes, everything. Right, so we have downloaded the image and we uncompress it. This is a TGC. We can compress it. You can see there is a directory here. Double click. Uncompress the tar file again. You should be able to see an OVA file. So these are the two image we want to use, the VCP and the virtual control plane and the forwarding plane. Okay, so from the VMware workstation, so we are running the 12.5. Okay, what we're going to do is open. We open our file. Okay, so let's try the VCP first. Import it. Okay, so you can see it's done, and it's automatically uh, you can power on this machine, okay, directly. And we'll see an assign 25 gig hard disk, 2 gig memory, and 1 virtual CPU. So we'll get one more, which is the 14 plane, right? So let's just open it, and this is it. With the import. Now the image is much smaller. What you want here is actually you want to get more memory to the uh, 14 plane. So let's do a 1 gig as well, right? Right, that's good. And we want to turn on this one. So we'll be putting up So you can see the virtual control plane is booting up. Okay, let me just go this one, 2 gig. All right, 25 is a lot, right? Okay, so looks like it's finished booting. You got a login palm, right? So I think the root, and there's no default login, so that's good. And we can look at the CLI. So configuration. So this is the configuration that has nothing. All right, so let's also put up the uh, forwarding plane. Okay. Okay. While we are doing this, we'll continue to configure the network here. So what I try to do is set a root password and then set the service. Okay, there we go. Set system root authentication. Okay. Okay, and then set system service SSH, and then web um, um, netconf ssh. Okay. Also maybe telnet. Okay. Okay, let's do this. All right, so looks is it ready? Okay, so this one is okay too, right? All right, so we have the virtual vMX installed on the workstation. Okay, so next we're going to set up the management interface, which is the FXP0, right? Okay, so to do that, we want to go to the setting of this VM, and you notice there are two interfaces by default. The first one is FXP0, and we want to customize it to a host-only network, okay? And then for the second one, we'll just put it in like VMnet 2, okay? So this is the host only FXPCO, and then this is will be the VMnet 2. Okay, and what we're going to do is set the IP address, and so we go to show configuration, and then oh, okay, sorry. So configuration, right? So configure. Let's set the host name first. System host name, vMX, and then set the FXP0 interface. Interface P0. So what's the network? Let me just look it up. For the VMnet 1, right? So we go to here. Uh, um, mm, so on the VMnet 1 host only is 192.168.87, right? So let's go here. Address. Let's say 2, right? Okay. 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 All right. So we can see the name has updated, and we can see the FXPCO is up 87.2, right? So what we can do is we will use a terminal. It's a putty, right? And I will use so okay, open. Okay, we will load this. Well, you can see, yeah, Yes, create a collection, and we'll log in as root, and then the password. Okay. Okay, so we're in. Good. For the other thing we want to do is this one. Default is root and root, and what we want to do basically is change the network setting here. We go to the VM setting, and we don't really actually care about this one, but the desktop we want to for the network adapter 2, this will be connected to the VMnet 2, right? So make sure these two are connected. Or we can give them the host always well. This one. Okay, so this was host 1, this is VMnet 2. Okay. And okay, so it's just resetting the information, and basically it's allowing the control plane talking to the VCP plane. Okay, so I think we are done on this one, and we'll continue in the next video.